Okay, listen, there's absolutely no reason as to why I am filming right now, but I cannot resist. I left the house for a lash appointment. I just got my lashes done. Like, I've never had fake lashes before, and I'm fucking living for it. Sorry for the swear word, but like, I love them. They're so pretty. I'll put the link down below on who does them. However, as I was walking out the door, Dave says, look what came in the mail. Like, are you kidding me? Oh, it's upside down. Dave said, look what came in the mail. And I'm just like, are you kidding me? This packaging is perfect, and I can't. It's been like 5 hours and I can't wait anymore. I'm gonna film a video tomorrow when I do my makeup, but like, I can't wait. Like, I cannot wait. So I'm gonna quick jump in here and swatch some of these because I wanna play with it. I'm not gonna like do anything on my eyes, but I'm just gonna show you. So you open it up and this is what you get. And this is a palette. Like, this is, she's heavy, she's thick. Look at that. Isn't that just the most beautiful packaging you've ever seen? It's obviously got these very fancy clips. It just feels so luxurious. And I think it's even just more special because we literally got to see it made. Like, our emotions were played with, y'all. Like, we got to see it, we cried, we laughed, we had a great time. There's some anticipation. Like, y'all know, if you know, you know. But like, I think that's why this palette is so special. So I know I'm not the first to review it, but let's get into it because I really just have to do it, because if I don't, I'm not gonna be able to sleep. So, packaging, beautiful, beautiful packaging. These are the, again, the metal clasps. Ready? Like, it just, when you open it, like, listen. Look at this mirror. Here it is, living. I'm dead, I'm living, I'm excited, I'm happy, I'm gonna cry. We've got this big mirror, which, hi, hello, beautiful. And then look at the stamps. I mean, are you kidding me? Look at that pig stamp. Stop. Stop it right now. Look at that. Just stop. Like the names. So we've got Ranch, My Pills, Tanacon. Like, I don't really need to go over this with you guys because we saw it all already, but like, sleep paralysis, shut up. Look at that color. We're gonna do that one first. Oh, y'all, I'm gonna fucking cry. Like, I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna zoom in a little. I'm going to scream. Okay, ready? Look. This is sleep paralysis. Is this a joke? Obviously, we have to get into the iconic Trish. Are you kidding me? Stop. I'm screaming. Like, I can't. These are so pretty. Okay, let's do Diet Cola. I'm trying to be like really nice because these stamps are so, like, I know I'm like opening my jaw for every one of these, and like seeing the series, that's great. Like, we got to see how pigmented they are, but like, it's so different when you actually have them on your fingers. Like, when you press into the pan, there's just something so like sexy about it. Wait, let's just check this out a second. They've got the Jeffree star and then the Shane Dawson like logo right here. Oh my God. Okay, let's do Just a Theory. Just a Theory is this one right here. Oh my God. We're gonna do Spiraling next. Stop it. Just. Are you kidding me? They're also buttery and soft. I just never saved for them. That was a horrible swatch. I want to do the whole palette, but I'm just gonna do 3 more. No, okay, I'm gonna do Food Vids. I don't know why I did that, so it's like such a weird swatch. Bitch, stop. That's Food Vids. Like, so pretty. Next one we're gonna do is, we're gonna do Flaming Hot, and then we're gonna do Illuminati. That literally looks like how my fingers look after I eat hot Cheetos. Like, stop. Stop. That's probably my favorite shade. To say the least, I am super excited for tomorrow's video. So I'm gonna close down my camera. I'm gonna go de-stress from this. Like, I am going to take my high somewhere else and hang out with my family and just try to like calm down, because I'm so excited to film a video for you tomorrow. So I'll see you tomorrow. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am so happy that you're here with me today. It means the world to me. If you are new, my name is Ray. Hello my beautiful lovely people, welcome back to my channel. I am so happy that you're here and I love you so much. If you are new, my name is Ray and I do beauty-based videos. So reviews, looks, chit chats, you know the deal. So if you like that kind of thing, you can subscribe or don't. It's up to you. Do whatever you feel like. I'm not your mom. But as you saw earlier, my conspiracy palette came in. I could cry. So again, this is how it looks. This packaging is just absolutely stunning. Like, it just feels luxurious. It feels expensive. It just is amazing. So we are going to do words. What we're gonna do is I'm actually gonna use, I think, Tanacon to bronze. So let's see how it does. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit because I feel like you guys are far away from me. Okay, so I'm gonna use the shade Tanacon, and I already have my base down. I didn't have to worry about that in this video. Look at that! Wow. I'm living for that as a bronzer. Like, that shade just needs to come out in like a super big pan size, because I love that. That's so cute. Should we do that for a blush? Let's try Pigment. Wow. You honestly could probably use Trish. That would be super pretty, but I don't want a super shimmery blush. Fucking stop. Like watch, like the lightest of tap. Girl. Cute. Okay, so what are we gonna use for a highlighter? I'm thinking ranch. I don't know, that's white, maybe not ranch. I'm gonna start with Tanacon in my, as like a transition shade. Okay, so I just used Diet Root Beer. I'm going with Not a Fact, which is just such a beautiful, deep color. And I'm just gonna if you have lash extensions, because this is my first time having them, how do you do your makeup or do you not ever do your makeup? It's fine if you don't. I need to know. I know, like, if I wasn't using this eyeshadow today, I would have just done my face and a lip and I would have really felt like super confident and ready to conquer the world. However, I wanted to wear some eyeshadow today, so. But how do you do it? Like, do they fall off? Is it just because I got them done yesterday, so they're, you know, they're gonna fall off? I don't know if you guys can see, this is so pretty. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that same tapered brush and I'm going to do my rides here, which is that black, and it's super intense. So I'm just going to use it just to darken up my outer corner. I'm going to mix it with Not a Fact. Like, these shadows are so beautiful. Okay, let's do our lower lash line. I have no idea what I want to do. I think I just want to use Trish. Like, I know maybe that's weird, but I just want to use Trish, I think. So I'm going to take it. I don't even want to talk. You know, when you like first started doing makeup and it was just so much fun, and you would, like, I don't know, for me it was my happy place, and I would just sit and do my makeup and listen to music. I sprayed the brush and I got a new brush, so we will see how this does. I don't know what I was expecting with this shade. I'm confused. Okay, this is not what I want to do. That's not what I want to do. I'm going to use Cheese Dust first. I'm going to blend it in with the orange. Or the, oh my gosh. I'm gonna blend the orange within the orange. I'm gonna blend the orange within the yellow. I do have this weird cast over here, but that's because I took What's the Tea. It's not the shadow. I just wanted to make that like very clear. I'm gonna take Flaming Hot, which, oh my gosh. When I swatched this yesterday, about lost it. Such a pretty shade, oh my god, like all over the lid, just flaming, just all over the lid. It would be fucking iconic. He's so cute. I don't know if you can see it, but I'm having a lot of kickback on my shadows. So if you're one of those people where that bothers you extremely, you're gonna have an issue with the palette. But for me, it doesn't matter because the pigment's there. Like if it had kickback and there was absolutely no pigment, I think that would piss me off. But the fact that it does have a lot of pigment, I can deal with the kickbacks. It's like it's not a big deal, really. I think that this palette is so versatile. Like I said, this first row right here you can use for just like a quick everyday look. You can also like smoke it up and make it sexy with this one right here. And then like as you get down here, you can create really just beautiful looks for like anything. And some of these colors like Diet Cola or what's this one, Conspiracy, those are gonna be great to just throw in like your inner corner, and you could just literally just wear it in the inner corner, and that's it. And I think that that's so freaking cool. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set my face with my broken setting spray. Also forgot, I am just a mess. This is a flop. Floppy flop, 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 flop. We can turn. So just use the ColourPop, like a super pink color on there, but I really want to put some shadow on it, and I just went into this what's it called, Just a Theory. Okay, so I'm gonna put that in the middle. So what I did was I put that ColourPop color all on my lips, and then I put some Trish and like little bit of Trish and like wiped it all in, and then put that Just a Theory right in the middle. All right, so that is the finished look. I want to go over the palette one more time just to kind of recap. This packaging is absolutely stunning. I think it's so great that if like once I get like a setup, like my beauty room setup, I'm definitely gonna have this like in the background, and even the Conspiracy like box would be really cool to have like behind you in a video. And so I think that they really nailed it with the packaging. I think all the like little pressed, what are they called? The imprints that they use, like the pig and the soda can, I think like that is so cool and so unique. And I can really appreciate how much thought went into this whole thing. And the fact that we actually got to see it be made is super incredible. And I couldn't, like, I just feel so great to be a part of that journey. As a consumer. And so with that being said, moving on to like the shadows, there is a lot of kickback. You barely need to touch in your pan, so just be mindful of that. And 100% girl, the shadows perform. They're super easy to blend out, so beginners all the way to advanced can use it. There's literally shades for everybody. I was only able to get my hand on the Conspiracy palette, which I'm super grateful for. But yeah, I do think that you can create so many different looks with this. I love the fact that I could use Trish on my lips. I could use pigment on my cheeks, Tanacon as a bronzer. Like, I think this palette is 100% just incredible. Perfect. Like, it is so tier worthy. It's so great. Like, I cannot stop playing with it. Like, I cannot, you can hear me. It's just so gorgeous. It's amazing, and I absolutely love it, and I cannot wait to see everybody's looks using the palette. That is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Really, I do plan on making more videos with this palette. Hopefully you don't get sick of it, but it is literally the best palette of 2019, let's be honest. Guys, I will see you all in the next video. If you have the Conspiracy palette, please send me your looks, okay? Send me them on Instagram, you know, you comment down below, tell me like where to find them, because I do want to see it. I want to see your talent shine. I love you all very, very much, and I will see you next time. Bye. I hate myself. You know. Anyways,